Welcome to our channel, dedicated to natural remedies and healthy living. Today, we're going to talk about how to reverse gray hair to black naturally. Going gray is a natural part of the aging process, but for some people, it can happen earlier than expected. If you're looking for a way to reverse gray hair without using harsh chemicals or dyes, there are natural solutions that can help. There are a few natural ways to try and reverse gray hair to its natural black color: coconut oil and lemon juice. Mix coconut oil with lemon juice and massage it into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 40 to 45 minutes before washing it out. Repeat this process once a week to help reverse gray hair. Amla powder and gooseberry oil. Mix amla powder with gooseberry oil and apply it to your hair and scalp. Leave it on for 40 to 45 minutes before washing it out. Repeat this process once a week to help reverse gray hair. Henna. Henna is a natural plant-based dye that can be used to color hair. It can help to cover gray hair and give it a black color. It's important to note that henna can only be used on hair that is naturally dark, as it cannot lighten the hair. Blackstrap molasses. Blackstrap molasses is a natural hair darkener that can be used to darken gray hair. Mix a tablespoon of blackstrap molasses with a cup of water and drink it daily. Vitamins and minerals. Gray hair can be caused by a deficiency of certain vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, and iron. Consulting with a doctor and taking the necessary supplements and eating a healthy diet rich in these vitamins and minerals can help reverse gray hair. It's important to note that reversing gray hair naturally may take time and consistent effort. Results will vary depending on the individual and the cause of the gray hair. But by incorporating these natural remedies into your hair care routine, you can help to promote healthy hair growth and maintain your natural hair color. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure safety and effectiveness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on natural remedies, healthy living, and hair care. And if you found that this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below.